Now at noon, the party's over for tens of thousands of people who attended the Ultra Music Festival this weekend. Early this morning, crews didn't waste any time beginning the cleanup in Virginia Key. After the three-day festival ended at 2 in the morning, crews were spotted cleaning up and getting things back to normal after festival organizers had a rough start to the festival. Late Friday night into Saturday morning, day one ended in chaos with thousands of people forced to walk on the Rickenbacker Causeway after a transportation nightmare. Well, that forced Ultra organizers and their city partners to put a new plan in place to improve the fan experience. They too ended significantly better, according to the chief of security for Ultra, who says they had more signs with information, more people working, and brought in buses earlier. This morning, organizers say the weekend was a success despite a few setbacks.
Obviously, from the first day, we had some hiccups, if you will, with our transportation plan, and we made adjustments as we moved forward. And I can tell you, Sunday night, it worked flawlessly.
Organizers also kept some of the smaller stages open past 2 a.m. The 2 a.m. end time to fans rushing out. This was the first year Ultra was held on Virginia Key after calling Bayfront Park home for the past several years.